This is the day after the blizzard. 28 inches of snow in Ipswich.
I don't pay no union dues. I smoke stogies I have found. Short, but not too big around.
Here comes Colby and the other plow. I'm doing a video production. All right. Why don't you work? You worked on both alleyways back there?
Yeah, the building side's only half done now, but both the alleys are done.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to go around the building once more. Why don't you keep working on this driveway? Bring as much stuff up as you can, and run it down back there. Okay. And be careful. Careful when you go out to the street. Started plowing 3 o'clock Friday. Stopped plowing 6 o'clock today. Gonna move everything tomorrow. Have everything ready for business on Monday. Gonna be a little bit of work with these ones back here. A lot of stuff that shouldn't have been left here is here. One truck at a time, we'll get them dug out. Colby's got the V plow. I got the straight edge. Do another one of these tomorrow.